For Father's Day, we are going to be making mango rasmalai. It's very good.
For that, we need bread, mangoes, sugar, coconut milk, whipped cream, custard, and milk.
Let's get started.
First, we're going to make mango puree.
We're gonna add some cardamom powder for taste and for flavor.
Now you have to cut the bread and press it hard. Look at this side. Oh, this is so fun.
This is so fun.
Brr.
Dang it, that didn't come out well. You're caught.
Eat it.
Okay, so once the bread is done, you can put it aside and we have to make the filling.
Now we're gonna add half a cup of sugar.
Now we're gonna add half a cup of coconut milk. We're gonna add 1 cup of mango puree.
Now mix it nicely.
Then you have to add some whipping cream. Now you have to mix the mixture.
Put it aside and we're going to make the mango milk.
Now we're gonna add 1 spoon of custard powder into a clean bowl.
Now add some milk and mix it.
Looks so cool.
Now the milk is warm, so add your custard mix. Keep stirring it until it becomes thick.
Once it stops boiling, switch off the stove.
Now it's boiling. So switch off the stove. Now let's add 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Now the mango milk is ready and it's time to assemble everything. Now add some saffron.
Now it's time you will get a nice.
Can I try mixing it?
You already poured. Okay, you can mix.
Arrange the bread.
Now we add 1 spoon of the filling to the bread. Spread it.
Yeah. The poor one. You did great. Now cover it with more bread.
Now we take a spoon and spread on the bread. Now we take 1 spoon of the mango milk and pour it on the bread. Pour more so the bread should soak it in. So the bread should soak it up.
Now you can add some whipped cream.
Oh shit, just spray on this.
You can add strawberry and mango on top.
Now refrigerate it for 1 hour.
Yes.
It's ready after 2 hours.
I love how we put strawberry on top and how it looks really good with the whipped cream on top.
Oh, the spoon.
Very smooth and silky and refreshing, and it's really, I love the mangoes on top.
Let's try.
Good job. It's ready after 2 hours, and it's very smooth and silky and refreshing.
Let's try.
It's really good.
It's so nice.
Really nice. It's a Father's Day tree.
And we're going to take it to our dad's for gift.
Yeah. Happy Father's Day! You can also try making something special for your fathers.